Then I woke myself up, painted a scene they got. My queen bee swinging to my sonnet as I lay by. It's how I want it. In a minute she rose.
Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff on the floor. I'm like stepping over everything.
Good, feeling haunted the way she goes, then I make eye contact. Both of our tummies making the same tune. Heat up the grill and we filling up with the same food. She a 10 but she fitted with Adidas a size 9. Somehow it be feeling like we the same shoe. Damn, she really been buttering up the jam. Can me and you cuddle up with the fan blowing thanks. Yeah, I know you worry about the bitches who fan shows, but you was original, hands on it.
I'm good, she good, we good.
Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Look at this.
That's good, 'cause I'm good.
Look at my floor. My carpet is so cute. Flooring, hardwood. This we still have to do around. Whatever. It's just gonna stay here for now. But I just wanted to see what it would look like, and I love it. I'm so tired. I feel like this video has been all over the place, and my apologies. I feel like I've been running around like a mad woman. Again, I have no eyelashes. I look crazy, but if you've seen my videos before, like I said before, like you know how badly I wanted new floors in here. Now I have to paint the trim on the flooring white. Still gotta paint that. I have to finish the kitchen. This peel and stick is amazing. Like, it's so easy. You literally have a new floor down. It took me less than 12 hours to do everything. I mean, from buying the actual flooring to putting it down, making sure that the floor is clean, even, all that stuff. So I highly recommend this brand. It is insane. It's so quick, so nice, so easy. So yeah. So yeah, I gotta get new curtains. See, my head is all over the place. I'm like, what else? Yeah, so I'm either going to finish the floor, or I'm actually gonna do the first coat on that eat sign up there, or I should take a shower and go to sleep, but probably won't. It is 11:15 on a Friday night. So last night we actually stayed up till like 3 in the morning doing this. We started at 8 or 9 o'clock and stayed up till 3, and then now I got home at like 9, so I only slept 2 hours by myself, and that's what took so long. Oh, maybe that's why it's so fast too, because there was 2 people doing it, not just 1, but still. It took me a hot minute because I had to do like custom cuts and custom cuts over there. Yeah, so yeah, that's it.
I'm good, she good, we good, it's all good, and that's good, that's good, that's good, 'cause I'm good.
I could die like this. Pass me a tab, I could fry like this. Thoughts of the past, thought of highlight shit. My life's when the sunset, twilight shit. I ain't moving, I'ma lie like this. The rays bright all up in my eyes like shit. Chill, why don't you shut the...
So we did 1 layer of green. It's beautiful. Oh my god, my floors, look at that. That looks so good. But we're doing green. Beautiful color. So I just put up the green eat, and this is what it looks like. I think it looks really cute. Again, kitchen is not finished, but that's a quick little update on that. This is a closer view of the green. It's beautiful. This is the paint color if any of you guys are curious. This is actually from Target, which is mind-blowing. It is called Seaweed Grass. No, it's not. Hello! I had to... Oh, it is yellow in this room. Back to my blinds. I had to hop on here because A, we finally finished the flooring, and 2, I'm having a really good hair day. Like this. Look at this movement. It's... Oh, my neck. Ah! Okay, maybe I can't do that too much, but the movement is amazing. Like, my hair is like on point today. I'm so happy with it, but look at my flooring. I am so excited about my flooring. I still have garbage and laundry and all that stuff I gotta put away, but I will be getting a new rug here. something different. I mean, I could just keep it. It's kind of fun. It really, look at my 3 rugs. They don't go, but yet, like, my style is so quirky. But these floors, it's everything I've dreamed of. My green Eat looks so good over there. Look how cute. Hello, Eat. It's actually not the color that I expected it to be, but it's good enough for now. That is my mirror. Hello, 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 hello. I do have a runner that's supposed to go here, but I don't know if I'm gonna put it back. I'm not sure what to do with the space. I feel like I gotta situate this now. Pop a color maybe somewhere over here. Before it was black mugs and red, and then I just put my white, so I'm switching that up. Yeah, that's my little bar, medicine and vitamins. And I'm just so excited that my kitchen is done. Now I feel like I can clean up my house, give a whole bunch of stuff away. I want to go through every single drawer, clean my house thoroughly, like my office, my junk drawer, my toolbox. I have like a tool drawer. Food, I want to do, I want to actually go food shopping. I don't know if I'm going to do that today, but I have to add stuff to my list right here. I put a list on my fridge right there, but yeah, so my hair, oh my god, I'm just so excited about my hair. Look at this, whatever that was. But yeah, so I'm excited. I'm gonna start the day. I have so much to do, and it's so late. It's already 2:15. Like, what the heck? I really didn't do anything with my day yet, and I need some chapstick. See you in a bit. Okay, so I'm talking to you on the floor because I just got back from grocery shopping, hence the Trader Joe's bags that are next to my door, and I'm putting down the saddle, which is the finishing touch to these floors. So we stain them, polyurethane them. These are brand new slacks of wood. The before, I could show you before because it is really bad, but yeah, we're not gonna do that. So I'm just nailing these in right now, and I cannot wait for you to see how gorgeous these saddles are. And I think that they're still wet because I could smell it, but oh shoot, see? I knew it. My mom's like, no, they're fine. They're beautiful.
Right quick, so I could doze off, maybe die like this. And I need nothing but good looks. Ass like Trina, she getting them hood looks. God damn.
Whoa! Some of those were hard to go through, but they're in there. How gorgeous that is. I do have to dap and finish, you know, paint it white and all that stuff, but these just add the finishing touches to the floor. Whew! One last thing before I think I'm gonna finish this vlog. Notice on the entryway, the flooring goes this way, like, and then in here it goes that way. So like they're going 2 different ways. I did that on purpose because it was just too hard, not too hard, I was just lazy to do it that way. They're supposed to go the same way as the house, like, you know, facing the same way, but ain't nobody gonna have that right now. So hopefully this wraps up today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that you enjoyed this, or this fun project that we did together with me and my mom and you watching. But hopefully the footage isn't too all over the place. I love you guys, and have a great day. See you next time. Bye.
Hello, Ms. Rooster, Kelly Rooster.
I'm good, she good, we good, it's all good, and that's good, that's good, that's good, 'cause I'm
Yeah,
good.
then I woke myself up, painted a scene they got.